Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to our new channel, our new class. In today's class, we'll generally talk about the environment because we are only talking about environment, science and these subjects because these have a huge chunk. These subjects have huge chunk in the field of all UPSC examinations where the science have been asked, or you can say the general papers are there. And in the when we talk about the state PCS examinations, so because the chunk or you can say the level of environment as well as the science are increasing, that is why you can say that why these subjects have huge importance. So if you want to revise these things, then you can like, share and subscribe to our channel. So now we'll move to our next question. Our first question is, which of the following statements are correct about the deposits of methane hydrate? Which of the following statements are correct about the deposit of methane hydrates? Option are: 1. Global warming might trigger the release of methane gas from these deposits. B. Large deposits of methane hydrates are found in the Arctic tundra and under the seafloor. And third is there, methane in atmosphere oxides to carbon dioxide after a decade or two. Select the correct answer using codes given below. Anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. I am still waiting for your answers because this time 8 people are live there. Anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. It's mandatory. As I'm saying, it's mandatory. So please try to like these videos and share these videos. And if you are live there, then please try to solve these questions. Please try to solve these questions because these questions have been asked in various examinations and these questions have huge importance. As I'm saying, these questions have huge importance. So that is why I'm saying that these questions are mandatory. These questions are mandatory for all of you. So anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend these questions. Everyone who is live there. Again, these are simple questions. First thing is there that try to eliminate some options. If you can eliminate some options, then you can solve some of the questions. Yeah. Now I'm going to share these videos to my friends, or you can say colleagues. So anyone who's live there, then please try to attend these questions because this is necessary. Well, I think you are unable to answer. First thing is that global warming might trigger the release of methane gas from these deposits. Yeah, it could possible. Second is there, large deposits of methane hydrates are found in the Arctic tundra and under the seafloor. Yeah, it's correct. It could be correct. And third, methane in atmosphere oxides to carbon dioxide after a decade or two. So only I think only option 1 or 2 is correct. Only option 1 and 2 is correct because these are only talking about the global warming and methane. Sorry. So option 1 and 2 is correct. So that is option A. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, consider the following agriculture practices. Consider the following agriculture practices. 1. Contour building, or you can say contour bunding or contour farming. B. Relay cropping. C. Zero tillage. Okay. In the context of global warming, zero tillage in the context of global warming, climate change, which of above helps or help in carbon sequestration storage in the soil? Okay. Option are 1 or 2, B only 3, C 1, 2 and 3, and D none of these. D none of these. Anyone who is live there, then please try to answer these questions. Okay, well, if we consider that question, consider the following agriculture practices: contour bunding, B relay cropping, C zero tillage. C zero tillage. So now we will talk about the contour building, relay cropping, and zero tillage. So when we talk about the contour building, so in contour building, or you can say contour farming, various contour farming, various structures like ladders are there, and in contour farming generally save the soil erosion. It save the soil erosion. It save the soil erosion. Then biodiversity. it saves the soil erosion. Then biodiversity, soil erosion, biodiversity means you can say it can save everything which we have discussed in the agriculture. So consider the following agricultural practices. Contour farming, yeah, it's correct, because the contour farming which also help in the which of the following helps or help in the carbon sequestration storage in the soil. Yeah, it will that contour crop building, or you can say contour cropping, will also help. B, relay cropping. Yeah, relay cropping is also very helpful for the deposition or sequencing of carbon. Zero tillage, yeah, zero tillage is most important, because in zero tillage, in this type of cropping, in zero tillage cropping, we doesn't means it has zero tillage. In zero tillage cropping, there is no tillage, there is no tillage, and we generally spread the seeds in the field. We generally spray the seeds in the field, and after that we irrigate them. And after the irrigation, these will grow itself. These will grow itself. So now you can understand that why these are important. And in zero tillage, because all the residues of agriculture substances, or you can say agricultures, will be lied down on the agriculture soil. So you can understand that it will also increase the level of carbon in the soil. So that's correct. So one, two, three, all are correct. So that is option C is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, with reference to deep carbon observation, with reference to deep carbon observation observatory, which of the following statement is are correct? A, it's a global research program to outreach role of carbon on earth. B, it conducts field field observations. It conducts field observations of deep microbial ecosystem. Select the correct answer using quotes given below. And that question was asked in the UPPCS 2019. Again, who is live there? Then please try to attend these questions, because these have huge importance. These questions have huge importance. And this time I think 12 to 13 people are live there. Yeah, this time 12 to 13 people are live there, and it's your duty. Yeah, and it's your duty to attend these questions. Everyone, it's your duty to attend these questions. So please try to attend these questions. It's mandatory. Yeah, everyone. Well, as I'm saying, with reference to deep carbon observatory, which of the following statements are correct? It's a global research program to outreach the role of carbon on earth. Yeah, it's right. It conduct field observations of deep microbial ecosystem. So which of the following is correct? So with reference to deep carbon observatory, with reference to deep carbon observatory, which of the following is correct? Because in reference to the deep carbon observatory, we talk about all the things, all the methods by which we can conserve the carbon. So in that condition, both are correct, because it conducts field observations to deep microbial ecosystem, because that is also correct. So one and two, yeah, option C is there, that both are correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Place where ozone layer is primarily found in. The place where ozone layer is primarily found in. It's a simple question. The place where ozone layer is found in: A, troposphere; B, stratosphere; C, mesosphere; and D, ionosphere. So mainly the ozone layer is found in the stratosphere. Mainly the ozone layer is found in the stratosphere. So when we talk about the ozone, when we talk about ozone, the formula of ozone is O3, and it makes a layer it makes a layer of gases it makes a layer of gases on atmosphere. It makes a layer of gases on atmosphere. It makes a layer of gases. It makes a layer of gases on atmosphere, on atmosphere, and protect organisms and protect organisms from and protects organisms from which? From harmful UV rays. From harmful UV rays. So this is all about the ozone layer. So place where the ozone layer is primarily found, and it is primarily found from 15 kilometers 15 kilometers to 50 kilometers. And when we move up on upward side, so its depth, or you can say, yeah, the depth of ozone layer will be depleted, or you can say will be narrow, means that's going to be narrow. Next thing is there, it is measured by, means the depth of ozone layer. The depth of ozone layer is measured by Dobson. Dobson is a unit by which we can measure the depth of ozone layer. So anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. So that's correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Ozone layer is above the earth crust around A 50 kilometer, B uh, B 300 kilometers, C 20 kilometers, and D 20 kilometers. Ozone layer is above the earth crust around. So when we talk about the ozone layer, so in the previous question, as I have discussed, that it is mainly found in from 15 kilometers to 32 kilometers. That is correct. So we can say that which number is nearby the that layer. So option D will be nearby that in that condition, that at 20 kilometer to 22 kilometers, the depth of these ozone layers are very high. So that's correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is not true about chlorofluorocarbon? Which of the following is not correct about chlorofluorocarbon? A, it is used as a refrigerant. Okay. B, it is not responsible for the greenhouse effect. C, it is responsible for the reducing ozone in the stratosphere. D, it is inactive in the lower atmosphere. So now, first thing is there, we have to understand that what is chlorofluorocarbon, and why we are studying that. And if you can understand the logic behind it, so you can understand it easily about the chlorofluorocarbon. So which of the following is not true about chlorofluorocarbon? It is used as refrigerant. Yeah, it's true, because when we talk about the CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, which are generally known as chlorofluorocarbons, are generally known as CFCs. Okay, these are generally known as CFCs, and these CFCs used in are used in refrigerators. Are used in These chlorofluorocarbons are used in refrigerators. Okay, and has adverse had adverse impact, and these have of well um, okay, I don't know what happened to this. So now well wait for some time, I think. Yeah, and it has adverse effect and it has adverse effect on the ozone layer on the it has adverse effect on the ozone layer. So I think now you can understand that why it has huge importance, and why we are talking about the CFCs, and why these CFCs are very important, because it is had as an adverse effect on the ozone layer. So when the ozone layer will be depleted, so various disease various diseases will happen. Various disease will happen there. So that's all about it, ozone layer. So I think due to some mistake, the question was deleted by me. So now we'll move to the next question. Yeah, the radiation is the radiation that is observed by ozone present in the atmosphere is the radiation which is observed by ozone present in the atmosphere is A, infrared, B, visible, C, ultraviolet, and D, microwaves. Anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. The radiations that is observed by ozone present in the atmosphere is A, infrared, B, visible, C, ultraviolet, and D, microwave. And that question was asked in the UPPCS 2013. Anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions because it is mandatory. Because it's mandatory means you have to attend these questions. That is mandatory for everyone. That is mandatory for everyone. Please try to attend these questions. Yeah, I'm still waiting for your answers. Please try to attend these questions. Well, as I'm saying, that try to solve these questions, or you can say try to attend these questions because it's mandatory. This time, 12 people are live there. This time, 12 people are live there, and it's my humble request to them. Then please try to attend these questions because these questions are mandatory. These questions are mandatory, so you all of you have to attend these questions. Again, I'm saying that you should take the responsibility to attend these questions, and when you will attend these questions, so it will help you. It will help you. Well, I don't know why you are not able to answer that question. It's a simple question. So, well, the radiation that is observed, sorry, that is absorbed by ozone present in the atmosphere is, as in the previous question we have discussed about the ozone, as we have discussed about the ozone. So the formula of ozone is O3. The formula of ozone is O3. When someone asks you what is the molecular mass of O3, then you can say, so the molecular mass of O3 is 32 into 3. So now I think now you can calculate. So that is 96. Okay, the mass of ozone is 96, and it is made up of O2. It is made up of O2. It is generally made up of it is generally made up of O2 plus nascent oxygen. When oxygen molecule will attach to the nascent oxygen, so that will makes the O3. That will makes the O3. And this layer is mainly found ozone layer. Ozone layer is found. Ozone layer is found in. Ozone layer is found in. Ozone layer is found in where? In stratosphere. Stratosphere. Ozone layer is mainly found in stratosphere. I think that's clear to you. And the CFCs gases means chlorofluorocarbon gases is is harmless, is harmful for these gases, for these gases. And now you think, sir, why these are harmful? Because when the ozone molecule come in the contact with these chlorine molecules, means CN2, because chlorine, or you can say fluorine or bromine, these molecules are there, means generally chlorofluorocarbon, and in the presence of heat, these will split, and that will split to O2 plus, again nascent oxygen. So due to this the layer of oxygen will be depleted, the layer of O3 will be depleted. So when the layer of these gases will be depleted, when the layer of these gases will deplete, so it has a very hazardous effect on the atmosphere. So now we have to move on the next question. The radiation that is absorbed by the ozone present in the atmosphere, because as we know that the ozone is working like an umbrella. Ozone is ozone is just like to working like an umbrella on the atmosphere, because this ozone has the ability, this ozone has the ability to absorb the harmful ultraviolet rays. As I'm saying, it absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays. It has the ability to absorb harmful ultraviolet rays, and when these will absorb the harmful ultraviolet rays, so there will be no skin type of disease or any type of global warming type of happenings on the atmosphere. So that is why I think that's clear to you. So now option is uh, the radiation that is absorbed by the ozone present in atmosphere is, so that is ultraviolet rays, because it generally absorbs the ultraviolet rays. Option C is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Ultraviolet radiations from sunlight causes the causes the reaction that produces which of the following? A, CO, means carbon monoxide; B, SO2, sulfur dioxide; C, O3; and D, fluorosis. And that question was asked in UPPCS 2018. The ultraviolet radiations from sunlight causes the reaction that produces which of the following? Again, anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend these questions. This time, yeah, this time 9 people are live there. Sorry, 19 people are live there. Then please try to attend these questions. Yeah, because these questions are very important. These questions are very important for your examinations too. Yeah, as I'm saying, these questions have huge impact, has huge impact uh, on for your examinations too. So that is why you have to solve these questions. If you want to pass the examinations, please try to solve that questions. Anyone, please try to solve these questions. Well, the number of students are increasing, but I don't know why they're unable to answer these questions. These are simple. Well, uh, okay, some, yeah, some Mohit Thakur is there. Yeah, option C. Yeah, option C is correct, Mohit. Well done, very good. Option C is correct. Then now we'll think how you can say that option C is correct. So let's talk about the O3. Why? Because the ultraviolet radiations from the sun causes the reaction that produces which of the following. So when the ultraviolet rays from the sun falls on the atmosphere, so the O2 plus nascent oxygen makes the O3. So ozone is the correct answer. So, well, now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, ozone layer in atmosphere: A, produces rain; B, produces pollution; C, provides safety to life on earth from ultraviolet radiation; and C, produces oxygen in the atmosphere. And that question was asked in the 2 times in UPPCS. Well, anyone who's live there, then please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend these questions, because these are mandatory. Please try to attend these questions, because these are mandatory. Well, some people is saying, so that is option number B. Option number B. I have no idea about the option number B. No, it's impossible. It's not correct. It's not correct. Option number B is not correct. It's incorrect. Now, anyone who is live there, then please try to answer that question. Ozone layer in atmosphere. So, as I'm saying, it will be a homework. It will be homework, and you have to solve that question. I will eliminate some options that is incorrect and that is incorrect. Now you have to choose in between C and D, means which of the following is correct. Which of the following is correct? And whenever you will find that question, means today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, whenever, I don't know when you will solve these questions. Whenever you have the time to solve that question, then please, that's my humble request. Then please try to comment on the comment box. If your answer will be right, then I will give you a heart. I will give you a heart. Okay, so anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend these questions, because if your answer will be right, you have to choose in between the C and D. I have no idea about the answers. I have no idea about the answers, and that is your homework. Whenever you will be live, whenever, today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, I don't know, whenever you will be live, or you will see these questions. So you have to choose in between C and D, which of the following is correct. So now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, World Ozone Day is celebrated on. World Ozone Day is celebrated on. Options are A, 16 September, B 25th December, C 30th January, and B 21 April. B 21 April. So anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. These are simple questions, or you can say one-liner question. And I will not solve that question. Yeah, I can help you. I can help you by eliminate some options. Well, so mainly the 30 January. The January 30 is the January 30 is celebrated as is is celebrated as Shahid Divas. Celebrated as Shahid Divas. Is celebrated as Shahid Divas. Why it is celebrated as Shahid Divas? Because on 30th January, on 30th January, on 30th January 1948, 1948, our Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Gandhi ji was assassinated. Was assassinated. Gandhi ji was assassinated. So anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend these questions, because it is mandatory and it will be helpful for you. It will be helpful for you. Well, so it could not be the correct answer. And now we'll move to the option number C. It is also not correct, because 26th December. Yeah, because December 25th. December 25th is celebrated as December 25th is celebrated as Susasan Divas. Celebrated as Susasan Divas. Celebrated as Susasan Divas in India. Celebrated as Susasan Divas in India. And now we'll say, sir, why it is celebrated as Susasan Divas? Because it's a birthday of it's a it's birthday of Bharat Ratna. It's birthday of Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna. AP Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. So that's why I'm saying that it has huge impact. Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. So that will be the correct answer. So now you have to eliminate that which option is not correct. So as I'm saying, this is incorrect, this is incorrect. And now you have to choose in between option number A and B. And this question is also your homework. This question is also your homework. Whenever you have the time to see that options, to see that questions, whenever you have time, then please try to write in the comment box that which answer is correct. That please try to comment that which option is correct. That is option A or option B. Anyone, please, whenever you have time, that please write your answers. First thing, please write your answers. Second thing, if you know some if you have some ideas about those options, or you can say those days, then please also try to uh, write some lines on the comment box. Okay? Well, now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, which one of the following gases is responsible for the decrement in the ozone layer? Well, it's a simple question. I think all of you, all of you can solve that question. Which one of the following? Which one of the following is responsible for the decreasement of in the ozone layer? Means which of the following will destroy the ozone layer? A. Nitrous oxide, B. Chlorofluorocarbon, C. Carbon dioxide, and D. Carbon monoxide. In the previous question, I have taught everything about that gas. I have taught everything about that gas, so I will not solve that question. It is also your homework. This question is also a homework. Now I will eliminate some options. Now I will eliminate some options that which of the following is correct. So, well, yeah, carbon monoxide is not the correct answer because carbon monoxide, which is known as CO, carbon monoxide is known as CO. Okay, carbon monoxide is known as CO. It is dangerous gas. It is a dangerous. It is a dangerous gas. Okay, carbon monoxide is known as CO, and it is a dangerous gas. Next option is there, as I was saying, it is a dangerous gas, and next option is there, it will. Okay, it's a dangerous gas, and it causes it causes it causes many disease. It causes many disease in human beings. In human beings, it causes many disease in human beings mainly. And next is there that when that CO mixed with the when that carbon monoxide mixed with hemoglobin, when that carbon monoxide mixed with hemoglobin, it makes an intermediate compound known as carboxyhemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin makes an intermediate compound carboxyhemoglobin. CO, when CO is mixed with the hemoglobin, it makes a temporary compound known as carboxyhemoglobin. Known as carboxyhemoglobin, and that carboxyhemoglobin is very dangerous for the human beings. That carboxyhemoglobin is very dangerous for the human beings. So it will not be the correct answer. It is not the correct answer. So I will eliminate it. I will eliminate it. Now I will talk about the carbon dioxide. Means carbon dioxide. Yeah, carbon dioxide is also very harmful gas. It is also very harmful gas, and its concentration is about 0.36% in atmosphere. Its concentration is about 0.36% in the atmosphere. Next thing is there in the atmosphere. Next thing is there that carbon dioxide. Okay, that it is responsible for the global greenhouse, and it works as a greenhouse gas. It works as a greenhouse gas, and it is also responsible for the global warming. Global warming. It is also responsible for the global warming. So I will eliminate option C and D. So now you have to choose in between. Now you have to choose in between option A and B. You have to choose in between option A and B. So now anyone who is live there, then please try to answer these questions. Please try to answer these questions, that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. And if you are unable to answer that question, so I will give you as a homework. I will give you as a homework. I will give you as a homework. Well, some person has written option A, that is Anup Singh. Anup Singh is saying that sir, option A is correct. No, Anup ji. Sorry, option B. Option B is not. Well, I will not answer it. I will not answer it. Anyone who is live there, then please try to write the answer, correct answer, because it is your homework. This question is your homework. Okay. Whenever you will see this question, then please try to comment the correct answer. Now we'll move to the next question. Among the following greenhouse gases, which does not causes ozone depletion in the troposphere? Among the following greenhouse gases, which does not causes ozone depletion in the troposphere? A. Methane. B. Carbon monoxide. C. nitrogen oxide, and D, water vapors. D, water vapors. So anyone who is live there this time, then please try to attend these questions. Yeah, please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend these questions. These are mandatory. This time Anup Singh is, I think he's writing something. Yeah, that could be right or wrong. Don't think about that is right or wrong, but please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend this question. It is mandatory. Yeah, as I'm saying, these questions are mandatory for all of you. So please try to attend these questions. Our question is, among the following greenhouse gases, which does not cause ozone depletion in the troposphere? Anyone? Please write. Please try to write the answers, correct answers. I don't know why you are not writing anything. Well, as I'm saying, among the following gases, which does not causes ozone depletion in the troposphere? Which does not causes ozone depletion in the troposphere? A, methane. C, carbon monoxide. C, nitrogen oxide. And D, water vapors. D, water vapors. Among the following greenhouse gases, which does not causes ozone depletion? So the gases which are responsible for the gases which are responsible for the cause of global warming, for the cause of global warming will be responsible, will not cause of global warming will not be responsible for the ozone depletion. So because methane, uh, then yeah, methane. What is the question? Among the following greenhouse gases, which does not cause ozone depletion in the troposphere? Okay, so because greenhouse, when we talk about the greenhouse gases, so methane is there, nitrogen oxide is there, then water vapors are there. Because these A, B, A, C, D, these works like greenhouse gas. These gases work like greenhouse gas, but carbon monoxide doesn't work like greenhouse gas, so it will not cause any depletion. It will not cause any depletion. Any depletion. It will not cause any depletion in ozone layer. In ozone layer, it will not cause any depletion in the ozone layer. That's what I'm saying. It has a huge importance. Okay, among the following greenhouse gases, which does not causes ozone layer depletion in the atmosphere? So that is the correct answer. So when we talk about the ozone, when we talk about greenhouse gases, greenhouse gases, when it is talk about the greenhouse gases, so some greenhouse gases are CO2, then methane, nitrogen oxides, then among all of the above gases, water vapor. Among all of the gases, water vapor has huge impact. It has huge impact on the greenhouse gases. And when the amount of these greenhouse gases will increase, when the amount of these greenhouse gases will increase, so it will also leads to cause various disease, or you can say it will also leads to, yeah, again I'm saying, it will also leads to cause, yeah, it will also leads to cause ozone layer depletion in the troposphere. So now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, Montreal Protocol is related to the protection of A, greenhouse gases, B, acid rain, C, ozone layer, and D, endangered species. And D, and endangered species. Anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. That which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Then please try to attend these questions. Everyone, because these questions have huge impact, has huge impact on the atmosphere. That's why I'm saying that please try to attend these questions. Some Sikha is saying option C. I don't know about option C, Sikha. Then please write it again. Well, anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend these questions. These have huge importance. Well, so Montreal Protocol is related to the production of A, greenhouse gases, B, acid rain, C, ozone layer, and D, endangered species. So mainly Montreal Protocol is related to the production of ozone layer. Is related to the production of ozone layer. So, well, Subi or any person, I don't know who has written that answer. So option C is correct. Your option C is correct. Okay. So because I have not seen that correct answer. So option C is correct because the Montreal Protocol is generally talking about the ozone layer depletion. Okay. So that is talking about the ozone layer depletion. So anyone who has written about the that option means option C is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. In stratosphere, the level of ozone is naturally regulated by A, nitrous oxide, B, nitrogen dioxide, C, chlorofluorocarbon, and D, water vapor. In stratosphere, the level of ozone is naturally regulated by option A, nitrous oxide, B, nitrogen dioxide, C, chlorofluorocarbon, and D, water vapor. Anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. Yeah, I'm still waiting for your answers. I'm still waiting for your answers. That which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Yeah, please try to attend this question. Please, everyone. Many people are live there, but why you are not able to comment? Well, in a stratosphere, the level of ozone is naturally regulated by A. Naturally regulated by option A, nitrous oxide, B, nitrogen dioxide, C, chlorofluorocarbon, and D, water vapors. Because these will means chlorofluorocarbons and water vapor, it will destroy the atmosphere, or it will destroy the ozone layer. So it will not be the correct answer. Means option C and D are incorrect. Now we have to choose in between the nitrous oxide and nitrogen dioxide. So generally the the nitrogen dioxide regulates, because it works like a layer for the ozone layer, and it try to regulate the thickness of ozone layer, which is generally measured in the Dobson, so option now we'll move to the next question. Consider the following statements. Chlorofluorocarbon, known as ozone depleting substance, are used. Okay. Now we have to consider the following statements. That which of the following is correct? Consider the following statements. Chlorofluorocarbons, known as ozone depleting substance. Means that question was saying that chlorofluorocarbons are known as ozone depleting substance, are used. A, in the purpose of plastic foams. B, in the production of tubeless tires. C. In cleaning certain electronic components. And 4. A pressurizing agent in aerosol cans. Which of the following statements given above is or correct? Anyone who's live there? This time 12 people are live there. Yeah, this time 12 people are live there. Then please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend these questions because these are simple questions. Everyone, everyone, please try to attend these questions. Well, I think I should answer. So, consider the following statements. Chlorofluorocarbon is known as the ozone depleting substance are used. Means where these chlorofluorocarbons are used. Means generally these are used in the refrigerators. These chlorofluorocarbons are used in the refrigerators because there is no option in the refrigerators. So we have to think something extra. Option A, in the production of plastic foams. Yeah, these chlorofluorocarbons are also used in the production of in the plastic foams. That is correct. B, in the production of tubeless tire. I have no idea about the tubeless tire, so I will not trick that option. Third, in cleaning certain electronic components. Yeah, it is correct because in cleaning some certain electronic products, it is correct. Four, as pressurizing agent in the aerosol cans. That is totally correct. That is totally correct. That as pressurizing agents in the aerosol cans means 134, 134, 134. Yeah, option C is correct. Option C is correct because the chlorofluorocarbons are known as ozone depleting agent. So these are the primary use of these things. Well, now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following substance is our ozone depleting? Select the correct answer from codes given below. A. Chlorofluorocarbons. A. Halens means halogens. Third, carbon tetrachloride codes. Now it's your turn to solve this. It's your turn to solve these answers. Everyone who is left there, then please try to solve these answers. That which of the following is correct? That which of the following is correct? Please try to solve these options. That which of the following is correct? That which of the following is correct? Yeah, in the previous question we have also discussed about the ozone depleting substances. So now you have to choose the correct option. Yeah, which of the following are the ozone depleting substances? In the previous question we have also talked about the chlorofluorocarbons because in this whole you can say series we have talked a lot about the chlorofluorocarbon, so we can say that it is responsible. These chlorofluorocarbons are responsible and for ozone layer depletion, so that is correct. Option 2, halens are there. Yeah, that is also correct. And carbon tetrachloride, this is known as CCl4. CCl4 is also responsible for the ozone layer depletion. So now option 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, option D is correct. Option D is correct. The persons who have written the option D are totally correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Which of the following is not correctly matched? A. Ozone, chlorofluorocarbon. B. Acid rain, nitric acid. C. Rocket fuel, kerosene oil. Okay. Greenhouse effect, carbon dioxide. Well, who is live there? Then please try to answer that question. Anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend these questions. Which of the following is not correct matched? Which of the following is not correct matched? A. Ozone is related to chlorofluorocarbon. Yeah, it's correct because when the amount of chlorofluorocarbon will increase, so that will cause the ozone layer depletion. Acid rain, nitric acid, that is incorrect because it has no effect on the nitric acid, has no effect on the acid rain. Kerosene oil as a rocket fuel. Yeah, kerosene, some amount of kerosene oil is also used in the rocket fuel. Greenhouse effect, carbon dioxide. That's also correct. That is also correct, because the greenhouse effect, the gases which are responsible for the greenhouse effect, in which CO2 is also there. So now we'll move to the next question. Which one of the following has a evergreen forest? A. Malwa Plateau, B. Eastern Ghats, C. Western Ghats, and D. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau. So now please answer that question. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Which of the following has a evergreen forest? A. Malwa Plateau, because this question is asking about the evergreen forest. So plateau will not be there. So we can eliminate option D and option A here. So now we have two options, Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. So when we talk about the hotspots of biodiversity, so Western Ghats are there. So that is option number C is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is our unique characteristics of equatorial forest? Which of the following is our unique characteristics or characters of equatorial forest? A, the presence of tall, closely set trees with crown forming a continuous canopy. Second, coexistence of a large number of species. Third, the presence of numerous varieties of epiphytes. Select the correct answers using code given below. Anyone who is live there? Anyone who is live there, then please try to attempt that question. Please try to attempt that question. That which of the following is correct? That which of the following is correct? That which of the following is correct? That which of the following is correct about the equatorial forest? Which of the following is correct about the equatorial forest? These classes have a very good, you can say, yeah, these classes have a very good will affect your studies too. So please try to answer these questions. Please try to answer these questions. That which of the following is correct? This time some Anupji is, yeah, Anup is talking. That is the correct answer. Anupji, wait for some answers. I will help you. Now wait for my answers. I will help you to solve these questions. Well, which of the following is our unique characteristics? Yeah, Anupji, your option D is correct. Yeah, well, which of the following is our unique characteristics of equatorial forest? A, the presence of tall, closely set trees with crown forming a continuous canopy. Yes, correct. Because the equatorial forest, equatorial means equal should be there. So in equatorial forest, the presence of tall, costly set trees with crown forming is correct. So that is correct. Okay, because these are the primary. You can say these are the primary rule for these forests. Second, coexistence of a large number of species. Yeah, because in equatorial forest there is a huge number of species are there. So that's correct. Option third, the presence of numerous varieties of epiphytes. Yeah, in the equatorial forest there is a huge amount of epiphytes are there, because these plants are generally tall. So huge number of epiphytes are there. So option three is also correct. So now we have to answer that all the three of the 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yeah, option D is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Consider the following states: A. Arunachal Pradesh, second Himachal Pradesh, third Mizoram. In which of the following states the tropical wet evergreen forest occurs? In which, in which of the above states do tropical wet forest occurs? Option A only, B 2 3 only, C 1 3 only, and D 1 2 3. Anyone? Yeah, I think it is the last question of our series. It is the last question of today's video. So anyone who is live there, then please try to answer it. Otherwise I will give you as an answer. Will give you it as a homework. Yeah, this time 12 people are live there. Well, so when you consider the following with tropical wet evergreen forest. So when we talk about the tropical wet evergreen forest, so these are generally found in the Seven Sisters. Okay, because Arunachal Pradesh is there, Mizoram is there, Himachal Pradesh is not there. So we have to choose option 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. So friends, if you have found these videos useful for examinations, then please like and share to our videos. And if you like our videos daily, then please subscribe to our channel because it's mandatory. So friends, that's enough for today. Have a nice day.